In this video, I'm going to be showing you an easy way and very quick video. I will show you exactly how you can list multiple cards in one listing on eBay. Okay, so if you want to sell like sport cards or whatever, and you want to sell you want to list multiple in one listing, I will show you how you can do this. So just need to go to eBay, click on sell in the top right, and then you want to click on create listing. And after that, you want to come up with a title. So for example, you want to sell sport cards. For example, I'm going to use this title. Click on search, and you want to select the category here if they ask you to select it. After that, you want to click on continue without match, and I'm going to click on graded, then click continue. Select here the professional grader and the certification number. It's recommended, you don't need to enter it. Click on continue. Now after that, here is exactly how you can do this very quickly, and it's very quick and easy. So just click on these three little dots in the top right here, then click on settings, and then make sure you enable the variation option here, toggle it on. Okay, now after that, you just need to scroll down and search for variations. For example, yeah, this is the option here. Just click on variations, and here you want to add here how many cards you have. For example, just use this an example for I'm going to use this. I'm going to use card Jack Sanderson, for example. Card, I'm going to add here, just enter here card. Okay, and here you want to enter the option, for example, Jack Sanderson. For example, you can add another card here. So you have added now here cards, so that when your customers click on card, you will be able to see all the cards available. So you just need to click on create your own, and then click add as many cards as you have. Okay, for example, I'm going to use, for example, another card like this. I'm just going to copy this as an example. Okay, Jake, and click on add. Now we have two cards. Like I said, you can add as many cards as you want, and you can also add the picture specifically for that card. For example, if you are selling sport cards or whatever, click add as many cards as you have here by clicking on create your own, then click on continue. Now if you want to add an image for a specific card, click on use default images, click on card, and then you will be able to find the names of your cards, and here you want to upload the picture specifically for that card. For example, Jake Sanderson, you want to add an image for that specific card, and then the second card here is Jack. Click on it, and then click on add card here, and click on add image. Just click on upload so that you can upload the image specifically for this card. Okay, now about the prices, you just need to enter here the prices here. Okay, for each card you can add a different price. For example, $20 for Jake, and then Sanderson, and then you can add, for example, $30 for another card here. You can just see the card number, the card name, and then price next to it, so you can choose which price is good for you. And after that, you want to click on save. Now after that, you just need to come up with a description. You can also use AI description here by clicking on this use AI description. After that, you just need to click on list, and then you will be able to list it. In just one listing, you will be able to list multiple cards. So I hope this one helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment, and see you guys next tutorial.